Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new Cold Culture automotive video. I'm back with my dad and his truck, and we're in Solvang, California. It's about a 500-mile round trip for us and from where we live, and we got much better gas mileage on this trip, so let's get into that. Hey guys, so we actually have been here for about 3 days now. Beautiful place, very small and simple and just nice to be at, kind of relaxing from the fast-paced SoCal that we're used to. As you can see, the truck's right here, and we're gonna be updating you guys on the truck and the gas mileage that we're getting after the lift has been put on. Hey guys, I just wanted to cut into the video here and tell you guys I am super close to 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank all of you, but please help me make that push. If this isn't your first time to the channel, please consider subscribing. You may as well. You're already watching the videos anyways. Hit that like button. It's for free. If it's for free, it's for me. It should be for you too. And I have finally set up my Amazon affiliate links, which means you're able to help me and the channel out by buying anything in those links. If you like it, don't buy it if you don't have the money or anything like that. There's no pressure there. But if you like the product or if you think you're going to like the product, go ahead and give it a purchase through those links, and a percentage of that comes back to me and the channel. Also, this shirt's going to be on there. It's a nice kind of thick cotton Ford shirt that fits me well. I'm a thick guy, so you know I'm a little bit self-conscious about that type of stuff. So if you're into shirts like these, go ahead and check that out as well. Thank you guys so much. Back to the video. We're actually getting gas right now before we head all the way back to where we're from. Let's take a look at the gauge. So I'm back home, so let's talk more about the gas mileage that the truck got. So on the trip, we averaged about 22 mpg, which isn't bad at all by any means, but the real question in this video is, did the lift kit affect the gas mileage? Because I know that's the question on your mind. Should I lift my truck? Will it make my gas worse? Because, you know, this current gas climate, you don't want to make your gas mileage worse on the truck. I know a lot of you out there are wondering, can I even put a lift kit on my Powerboost? What will it do to my Powerboost's gas mileage? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. So to put it simple, absolutely you can put a lift kit on your Powerboost. It doesn't affect anything mechanically. A lot of people commented on, what does it do to your speed lifting the truck? It doesn't do anything to the speed. The truck is just as fast as it was before. It's maybe fractions of a second slower than it was before, with more air drag and more air being able to go underneath it, but it's definitely not noticeable whatsoever. Now the gas mileage. How much does the gas mileage change before the lift and after? Well, we got a lift and the bed cover on at the same time. And the bed cover is really not going to add too much gas mileage to the truck. But the lifts, especially as kind of everybody knows, you put a lift on your truck, it destroys your gas mileage. Well, that's not the case at all in our situation. We averaged 22 mpg on the way there and the way back, and it was in LA traffic. And if you saw my other video on the mpg of the Powerboost, you'll know the truck actually works much better in stop and go environments than it does just on long highways. So this actually played to our favor as we're having to drive through LA. Overall, if you guys do want to lift your truck, either for off-roading purposes or just for the looks and just the way you like it, you know, you want to fit a bigger tire under there, do it. Do it, because it's not going to affect your gas mileage too much. Now, we did a 3-inch kit, so that is all I can speak to. And I would say, honestly, if it did affect the gas mileage at all, like I said before, it was very minimal, almost completely unnoticeable. So that's something big to mention. Now, my brother is going to be doing the same size lift kit, but with 35. So those tires might affect the gas mileage, whereas my dad did 33s so that it wouldn't affect his gas mileage. But I'll update you when that happens. So are you trying to lift your Powerboost? If you are, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you guys. A shorter video today, kind of straight to the point, kind of showing you guys a little bit of a vlog style. Hey, let me know if you like the vlog style at all, kind of showing you what I'm doing, or if you just like me to sit down in front of the camera and tell you the facts, you know. Either way, I'm okay with it. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all the above. You know how much it helps me out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.